Hey everyone, it is Brandy from brandyellen.com. I am using Loom, so, there I am, hello. I am going to talk about vision boards today. I'm going to go ahead and create a vision board. Please note, this vision board is not my vision board. It is just an example to show you how you can use Canva.com to start advancing your future using a vision board. A vision board is something that you utilize as just what it says, a visual, as a photo example of things you aspire to do or be someday. As a little backstory, I created a vision board once upon a time that had quit smoking, published author, and I don't remember the other things, but those were the two main things. And within about 3 to 5 years, the quit smoking thing I think was a little longer, but within 3 to 5 years, I actually had, no, that's right. Okay, so I made a vision board once upon a time and had it hanging beside my desk where I worked every day for a very long time. And within 3 to 5 year time frame, two of the things on that vision board came true. And one of them was quitting smoking, and one of them was becoming a published author. So it's fantastic. It's a great way to kind of have a visual in front of you to know, you know what, I'm building my dream and my empire, and I'm chugging along today because I will have these things, or I will achieve these milestones in my life. So it doesn't have to just be like, oh, this new car or this house or things like that. It can be like milestones that you want to accomplish in your life. Today I'm going to just go through this process using Canva.com to give you an idea of how simple it is to create a vision board using technology. Back in the day, I just used, sorry, I have a hemp heart seed in my mouth. So back in the day, I would use magazines to do this, but now we're going to use technology. I love tech. So what you want to do is you want to go to Canva, Canva.com, type in vision board in here. Of course, it's really easy to set up an account. If you don't have an account, get one all set up. I have a paid account. I don't think you need a paid account to do this, though. Just have fun with the free version. So you're going to go in here, and you're going to go vision board, enter. All right. So I'm just going to, for the purpose of this video, you pick one you like. You can scroll down and see all of these amazing things. I like one that's a little bit more like this. I like nice, clean, so I can see everything. I'm going to do this one. Hopefully my Loom video. Hello, where are you? Where am I? There I am. There's my face. So now I'm here. I'm going to go hide. Here this is, right? So we're going to do vision. We're going to rename it, whatever you want to do. I'm going to rename it Vision Board Mockup 2024. And I'm probably going to go ahead and sell this mockup. Not this particular one, but I'm going to have a few mockups for sale over on brandyellen.com if you're interested. I will drop the link in the description. Okay, so we're going to go over here to Photos. And let's just say I want to, going on something I did before, I want to be a published author. And pick a picture that makes sense for you. So, self-publish, why not? Okay, and then, I want to go to the Netherlands, let's say, so, which that's technically something that's going to happen, but here we go. So we're going to do a picture of the Netherlands, I guess. I think that's what that is. We'll do it there, okay? Whatever picture you want. I like here colorful houses. There we go. And let's say I want a new puppy, right? Actually, let's be specific. I want a golden pug. Sorry, I want another pug. Let's say. So sorry, this is actually something I'd love someday again. And let's say you want to travel. So there's already a picture here. We'll just keep that there. But the reason for the reason I picked this one is because the words. I really like the words. So I want to actually, you know what, I'm gonna be a millionaire. Why not? If you could spell it. So I'm going to be a female millionaire, right? So millionaire, next exit, whatever, it doesn't really matter. Just put some pictures in, right? And then I'm gonna have a team. I'm going to build a nice team. I don't like that picture. So I'm going to build a nice team of people behind me so that I can actually have employees and employ some people out there. And then, of course, money is always nice because, well, I'm trying to build my business more and have money. So here we go. Let's say my mission and my vision board for my future is to become a published author, which I am, but there we go. I'll go to the Netherlands. I want to travel all over. I actually got my passport. This is because I have a little bit of a travel bug going on here. I think I'll travel around America. We'll see how it goes. And then I do want a pug again someday. Jenny the pug, rest in peace. I had her for 13 years. She was such a sweetheart. And then I'm working on being a millionaire maybe, and then travel just so it's in my face again. A team that symbolizes the fact that I want to build a team. I want to become a millionaire so I can employ people that want to make more money as a remote worker or be part of a bigger company that, you know, we all can work together and advance our mind and our lives. And of course, money is not bad to have some more. And the reason I want all of this is because I want freedom and independence. I want the ability to live my life in a way that makes sense for my dreamer creative side. And I have a hard time being closed into like little labels and shells. So there we go. You can actually have more fun with this and go through the visuals of the photos in Canva. They have tons of them. You could even look at this thing, which is elements, to just look for, you know, if I put team in, what does it come up with? You know, it's got all these different graphics you could look at. So you don't have to just do pictures. I enjoy pictures. You don't want to do these moving ones that are animated because you're going to print this. And this is the next step. So now I'm going to go into printing. This should be all you need to know how to do a vision board on canva.com. And this says print with Canva. We're not going to do that. We're going to click the share button. And I'm going to go ahead and click download. I want to download it as a PNG. You could download it as a PDF for print. That's another option, but I'm just going to do it as an image. And you don't have to do any of this stuff. However, if you did a graphic in any of these, you do want transparent background. I would definitely click that in that case. So I'm going to compress the file because I honestly don't care if it's a lower quality, but you don't want to do that if you don't. And if you don't have the paid plan, you can't do that. So we're going to download. And now it's downloading, and we will open it up, right? We're going to open it up. I'm going to choose photos. And there you go. You should be able to see that. I think I shared my screen properly. So there you go. And now you can just go ahead and print it, and that'd be great. I'm not going to waste my ink right now because this isn't done for me. But then you can go File, Print. Oh, there's the print icon right there. So go ahead and print it and then put it up next to your office. And I want to show one more idea here. Free pick. So one of the things I did recently was I found this AI that can turn your dreams into pictures. I have been dreaming about this house, right? And I'm not even going to have it create another one because this is what it did. I literally put in this prompt, a house that has a 3-car garage underneath and lots of windows with 3 living quarters. Excuse me, on a large parcel of green grassland and trees in the background with front porch that overhangs above the garage. The color combo is a gray and lighter blue color. And so this is more the color that I was envisioning and seeing in my dream, but this setup's a little closer to what I was doing. So maybe this was actually a little closer. But you can go to freepik.com/AI/image-editor. I'll leave a link in the comment below. I'm not sponsored by these guys at all. It's just a really fun tool to kind of come up with a visual image that perhaps you can't find in Canva. Download it for free and then use it in your vision board on canva.com. You would just go over here and upload it in the upload section on Canva. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and it's inspired you to create your own vision board. Remember to like and subscribe. Be sure to click on the notifications. I'm really trying to help new, small ways for you to just advance your life, feel better, live better, and achieve some of those dreams this year. Peace, love, happiness. Till we talk again. Love you.